If you're a South African citizen paying tax, then this applies to you. Here's how not to pay tax. The South African Tax Act offers taxpayers a 100% tax deduction in the year of investment by way of subscription of shares in a Section 12J venture capital company.
What?
Allow me to explain. This extraordinary initiative has been set up by our government and the South African Revenue Service to grow investment into small and medium-sized enterprises as a way of stimulating the economy and creating jobs. Section 12J venture capital companies are registered with SARS and are the vehicle through which the process is enabled. Section 12J allows you to get a 100% tax deduction and put that money to good use.
Amazing. So my investment is totally tax-free?
Yes, exactly so. Here's a quick example. Let's say Mr. Smith has 1 million rand taxable income and invests all of it into a 12J company. Then the full 1 million rand will be tax deductible in the year of investment. Mr. Smith will literally pay no tax, zero, nothing. If Mr. Smith did not make the specific investment, he would have paid approximately 450,000 rand in tax, which means that Mr. Smith received an immediate saving of 450,000 rand. Not only did Mr. Smith put his tax rands to good use, but he now has an investment of 1 million rand in a Section 12J company.
Practically, how does this work?
First off, you acquire shares in Laysan. Laysan is registered with the South African Revenue Services as a venture capital company in terms of Section 12J of the Income Tax Act and is regulated by the Financial Services Board. Laysan then provides you with a certificate which will allow you to claim a 100% tax deduction of the amount used to buy the shares. In turn, Laysan will invest in qualifying companies that show potential for maximum growth. Eventually, the qualifying companies generate an additional financial return for all the shareholders.
But why should I choose Laysan as my 12J vehicle?
Laysan is unique in that we create dual economic value by giving investors access to business opportunities, as well as the necessary skills to maximize them. On top of everything you'd expect from a reputable venture capital firm, Laysan seeks out those business opportunities that awards its investors with purpose, meaning, and a sense of adventurous business building.
Great. But what's the downside?
There is one specific prerequisite that you should know about. Although you save up to 45% in marginal taxes, it is important to understand that to avoid any recoupment of your tax deduction, the funds must remain invested for 5 years. Make sure you invest wisely and responsibly. Investing with Laysan enables you to earn above-average returns, minimize your costs, and experience the adventure of profitable and purposeful business building. At the end of the day, by investing through Laysan, you're at the same time supporting South Africa's budding economy and setting yourself up for future financial success. Laysan, Adventure Capital. www.laysan.co.za